Hey there. You're probably wondering why I've got the skid plate in my hands and, well, not on my truck. Well, I've got a total truck, and we'll get to that. All right, so this truck behind me is a 2011 Ford F-150 Raptor, and it's totaled. Well, at least I bought it totaled. So a little bit about Beyond the Raptor, about what we're doing and why I do it, is all because of this truck behind me. I was in search of a truck about 3 years ago, was really interested in the Ford Raptors, decided I didn't want to pay the high price tag, and so what did I do? I bought a totaled Ford F-150 Raptor 2011, made the repairs to it, rebuilt the title, and this truck has been a blast. And what I love the most is this is not a pavement princess by any means, and I got a great deal on it, and because of the way that it looks and the way that I treat it, I'm okay with taking it off-roading and having a blast, getting muddy, getting dirty, going to the sand, going to the dunes, all of those situations off-road, have no issues with it. And so let's walk you through what happened, show you some pictures, and talk about this truck that I rebuilt. So starting at the front, the reason that I took off the skid plate is because it gives us access to the only real piece that you'd ever know at this point that it got totaled. So as I point up here, up underneath the frame, right at the K-member where you have two of the frame rails that come out the hook to the bumper, you're gonna see me point at this pinch weld here. This is where the frame meets the K-member, and that is where it separated. It just broke a weld. It didn't actually even bend the metal. We just simply straightened it back out, got it nice and even where it was supposed to be, re-welded it back up, sprayed it. That was the biggest thing that right now you can ever tell that was ever totaled. Here's a couple more pictures. It actually got hit in the front, bunch of damage to the front grille, the front radiator, the support, all of that, but nothing else structural. So the hood still fits, the fenders are great. There was some scratches on the body, on the side, and on some of the fenders, but that's just cosmetic, nothing big. And the only thing I can guess that actually happened after all the research I did of what happened to this truck is that he was off-roading and he either came into a telephone pole or a tree straight in front of the car because it hit it hard enough, obviously, to total it, but it did not set off the airbags, and that only happens when you're on off-road mode. And for those who have a Ford Raptor or some of the advanced settings on these new F-150 pickups, if you're in off-road mode, it makes the sensors for the airbags less sensitive, and so that's gotta be what it was. No airbags were set off, pretty minor, and I got a $20,000 savings off of buying the same truck with the same mileage by rebuilding it. Super excited about it. So let's take a cut right now to just do a walk around the truck and get more details of what it looks like now. All right, so there you have it. A great truck at a great price, and this is the inspiration for Beyond the Raptor. What Beyond the Raptor is about is news, reviews, and off-roading fun for Raptors and Ford F-150s alike. So visit our website at beyondtheraptor.com to get more information, and subscribe if you want to be notified when our new videos come out. But basically, we're just going to be doing upgrades to this truck and reviews of those products. We're going to be talking about the latest news, like the new Ford F-150 Lightning that just came out. And we're going to then also be doing some fun off-roading where maybe we compare Raptors to Razors on an off-road course, or even to sport quads. And what is the difference in suspension, and what is the type of setup that you might want. Subscribe if you want to learn more about the videos that are coming up, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see on the channel, what you'd be interested in for your pickup.